Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Transit bonnet. First, find the keyhole in the lower grille, usually on the driver's side. Insert your ignition key and turn it clockwise to unlock the first catch. Then, turn the key counterclockwise to release the second catch. You should hear a click as the bonnet fully disengages. This two-step key turning process ensures the bonnet is securely latched when closed. Once both catches are released, gently lift the bonnet a few inches. You'll find a safety catch lever underneath, usually near the center. Push this lever to the side to fully disengage the bonnet. Now, you can raise the bonnet completely. Locate the support rod, typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet or engine bay, and insert it into the designated hole to hold the bonnet open securely. To close the bonnet, first unclip the support rod and secure it back in its holder. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 8 to 12 inches from the closed position. Do not drop it from a great height. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the bonnet. You should hear two distinct clicks as both latches engage, confirming it's securely closed. After closing, always perform a quick check by gently trying to lift the bonnet. If it doesn't budge, it's properly latched. For optimal performance, consider lubricating the bonnet latches and hinges every few months with a suitable grease or spray. This prevents sticking and ensures smooth operation. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.